कभी-कभी हम अपने दोस्तों से, परिजनों से कुछ हल्की-फुल्की, संजीदा और मज़ेदार बातें करना पसंद करते हैं। ये बातें वो बातें होती हैं जो हमारी दैनिक ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा होती हैं। मगर बड़ी समस्याओं को सुलझाते हुए हम इनके बारे में बात करना भूल जाते हैं। हम चाहते हैं कि लोग हमें सुनें, हम उनसे अपनी समस्याएँ बाँटकर उनके विचार जान सकें, जैसे तनाव को कैसे कम किया जाए या ज़रूरी कामों के लिए कैसे वक़्त निकाला जाए या अपनी पहचान कैसे बनाई जाए। ऐसे कुछ विषय हैं जिनको दोस्तों से बाँटने से हमें अच्छा अनुभव होता है। एक ये बात है, एक दूसरी बात और आपसे, पेरेंटिंग कैन बी ओवरवेलमिंग ऑन सेवरल ओकेजन्स। Starting from pregnancy to the growing years of kids, parenting look parents look for ideas, suggestions, and hands-on tips from other parents. Mother's Gurukul brings to you all that you're looking for in your parenting journey. So these are two things I have be able to read. Like, it's very tough to find out introduction for those who are into a domain which is introduced to all of us. Alpna ji, we welcome you, and what I have been able to read is your words. दोस्तों, ये दो जो आपको दो हिस्से बताए गए, एक हिंदी का है, एक इंग्लिश का है। जो इंग्लिश का है वो एक पेरेंटिंग के पॉडकास्ट के बारे में है, और अल्पना जी का जो ब्लॉग है, जो वेबसाइट है, उसका जो नाम है, जो शीर्षक है, वो है mothersgurukul.com। अब आप समझ गए होंगे कि कितना अच्छा सा नाम है। mothersgurukul.com is her blog on which we find two podcasts. One is of course Mothers Gurukul, and the second one is Baaton Baaton Mein. So it was just a Baaton Baaton Mein connection with you, and then you got into the course and you got into our mentors also. So we welcome you, and we have shared the same text that I have also read. And from India, we are in winters, the northern part. I'm also sitting in Himachal today, and then wishing you a very good morning. So we would like to hear from you why I said good morning, because it's over to you now. So why we are saying good morning to you? It's over to you. With Dr. Amrita, we have got some very smart technical tips about how we will be able to do podcasting, about voice, about the copywriting thing. So with you, we want to go to a journey, and it's up to you what you want to tell us, how you want to guide us. We are all teachers, we are all learners also. So over to you, ma'am, with a good morning. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you so much. Namaste and Happy New Year to all of you. और teachers के लिए I'm really very happy that you all are so much into, you want to learn about podcasting. My mom was a teacher, so I know कौन से you all have to keep on updating your skills to go with the flow and to keep that interest of the students always intact. So thank you so much, Parveen ji and Rajesh ji Ramesh ji for inviting me for this event. Or that was the reason I was just listening to Parveen ji when he said that no, we from our side we only said that hi, Atul ji just asked us to contact you. It is, it's because I feel that the power of voice, the we all write, but when we give the voice to our words, it touches a chord. Because आवाज में ना वो आपकी जिस वे में आप बात करते हो, it just adds the value and this conveys a very different message. तो अब मैं बात करती हूँ, परवीन जी ने मुझे अभी गुड मॉर्निंग क्यों कहा? क्योंकि अभी मेरे यहाँ हो रहे हैं सुबह के 6:30 और आई एम इन द यूएसए, आई एम इन ह्यूस्टन, टेक्सास। मैं यहाँ पे पिछले 15 सालों से हूँ और शादी के बाद आई केम हियर। आई वाज इन इंडिया, आई ग्रू अप इन आईआईटी कानपुर। My parents are still there. I worked in IIT Kanpur, and academically, I am a management graduate. But I always had an inclination, towards writing. लेकिन मैंने ये नहीं कभी सोचा था कि writing can be my career option, and that will give me this much of satisfaction जो मुझे आज मिल रहा है। और apart from writing, public speaking is my another area of interest. So when I was in school, even आप लोग भी देखते होगे, you must be kind of guiding your students कि debate competitions में participate करो, extempore में participate करो. Same thing used to be with my teachers. When the teachers see that thing in you, they kind of keep motivating you that ये competition आ रहा है, participate in it. And that's how I would say my speaking journey started. And then luckily it got continued even after I came to the USA. I got to do the emceeing, the anchoring of a lot of events. And so, that stage fear, yeah, that butterflies in the tummy, वो basically I never faced that because I like public speaking. और जब पॉडकास्टिंग जब मैंने इनफैक्ट आई डिडंट स्टेप इनटू podcasting. My husband used to listen to podcast very regularly, or he was trying to convince me that you should listen to podcast because you already write or you already have the content with you, so you just have to speak. And I wasn't very much convinced कि कौन सुनेगा. But then when I started to listen to podcasts, I felt that okay, this is something very convenient. I mean, when I'm driving, I can listen. I don't have to sit in front of my computer to read a particular blog post. So podcast you can do like anywhere and everywhere. सो आई वाज लाइक अगर मैं उसको इतना एन्जॉय कर रही हूँ, मेरी तरह से काफ़ी ऐसे बिज़ी मॉम्स होंगी, जो हू डोंट वांट टू गेट लेफ्ट आउट, हू वांट टू
ঘরে উঠতে বিজনেস চাইছিলে মাসিকানকালা রোড ওয়েস আর রোড ওয়েস লুকিয়ে খেলা মুদ্দ
We do
Okay,
have
I
a
think there is a call.
broadcaster seems.
Yes,
So-
for the podcasters.
Somebody is trying to show these skills. Welcome,
Yeah.
welcome.
So that's how I got into podcasting. I started my podcast by the name of Mother's Gurukul, because Mother's Gurukul is my website. So coming to a brief introduction of myself. So as you all know, I'm Alpana Dev. I am a published author. I have published 2 books. One is children's fiction book, which goes by the name A Girl in the New Town. And the second one is Culinary Tales, Indian Recipes for Every Home Chef. It's a recipe book. So apart from that, I have a website which is known by www.mothersgurukul.com, where I write about parenting articles. And being an immigrant parent, I have a lot of experiences how to find that balance between the two cultures. Both my kids are US citizens, but I'm really thankful that we are able to maintain. I'm from Maharashtra, so we are able to maintain the Maharashtrian culture and the Indian culture in general as well at our home. And both my kids talk fluent Marathi and Hindi, so so they also speak 3 languages. And with this experience, I am able to, when I'm writing the articles, I give that immigrant touch also, like for all the immigrant parents who are bringing their kids outside India, not just in USA, but any other country apart from their homeland. So, and all the cultures are equally rich. We have to keep that balance, which is sometimes gets challenging, but that's the challenge we all parents we accept. And if you want to give those values to your kids, you need to find that balance. Otherwise, वो जैसे बोलते हैं ना ABCD, that American bond confused desi, वो बच्चे वैसे हो जाते हैं otherwise. So I'm happy that we are able to do that. I'm really thankful to my kids for accepting those values that we are trying to give them. And when I came to the USA, I came here on the dependent visa. And dependent visa is where we are not allowed to work. I'm still not allowed to work because I'm still on the same visa. But thanks to Obama, that he passed that EAD rule, which is a work permit rule for the H4 visa holders. And now I'm able to to take the paid projects and get the paid work. But still, I decided to stick to writing, and then I jumped into podcasting. So initially, I started Mother's Gurukul podcast, which is about a parenting, all the parenting topics and emotional intelligence or the mental health topics. And the second one is Bato Bato Mein, because I felt there is a need for a regional language podcast. और उसमें ऑडियंस में मुझे लगा ऐसी है जो सुनना चाहती है उसको. And there are a lot of topics, as Parveen ji has already read my that small narration, that when we are solving these big problems, we forget about our day-to-day problems. But those are the problems we really want that someone should come and talk to me. So those are the halki fulki baatein we all like to do with our friends, with our family, with our dear ones. So those are the topics that I touch based on Bato Bato Mein. Like how to find your identity. Sometimes we say we don't have time to do so many stuff, but we do have time to do a lot of things. So those topics I try to share my tips and tricks in that Baaton Baaton Mein. And recently I started an interview series on that where I'm featuring one guest per month and I'm sharing their inspiring journey with all my listeners. So I'm enjoying podcasting a lot, and I'm really happy that you all are actually looking forward to include podcasting in education as well. So that was all about me, and I would like to know what you all want to know from me so that we can take that our discussion towards that side.
Thank you, Alpana ji. It's wonderful to means. I was thinking that she keep on speaking and we keep on listening. No break. No break.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So, friends, you can unmute yourself and can ask your question. And Alpana ji, as you mentioned about students, we have a very brilliant Abhirami among us in the course. Right now,
Okay.
she is present in the session also.
Uh-huh.
And she is a student. I think she is from Abhirami from Chennai. Which place you are? You can speak. And Dr. Arunji has raised hand. He wants to say something. So Dr. Arunji and Abhirami, you can unmute yourself and speak, please.
Ramesh, can I make a request? Can they, if they are comfortable, can they turn on their video, because it's easy to talk when I see the faces.
Yes.
You feel that you're not
Arunji has already done it.
Okay, I think, am I audible to you, Alpana?
Yes.
Actually, I saw both your podcasts. In fact, Baaton Baaton mein Hindi mein hai, or the other one in Mother's Gurukul, and
Yeah.
both are available on Anchor.
Yes.
Actually, I am also an anchor. My podcast title is Poetry Sessions, and I recite poems in English. Of course, I am very new to that, and I am a learner. So I was wondering even earlier that if I want to recite poems in Hindi also, so of course I wanted another kind of platform as you have.
Yeah.
So Anchor, does it give it you two profiles like this? I was wondering.
No, Anchor doesn't it doesn't allow you to log in from one single email ID and create the two profiles. So,
Okay.
what you can, but they are going to add that feature. That's what they told me last year when I started Baaton Baaton Mein. What you can do is you can open another account, and then you can, log in from that account and open a Hindi channel for your poetries.
Open another account on the same phone? I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, if you have your first account on Gmail, so you can open another account on Gmail, maybe by the name of your poetry.
Oh,
So, like,
right.
my primary
So in the
account is
same-
Alpana.
That means
Sorry?
in the same Anchor app.
Yes, you can do that. Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, that is why I kept my first Mother's Gurukul podcast at gmail.com, and second one is Baaton Baaton Mein podcast at gmail.com. So there are two
One more.
separate accounts, and I'm logging in from separate accounts.
One more question. Do you do the recording directly on their audio, thing that they allow you, or you do it first, record on your own system and then transfer the file to Anchor?
I have never tried directly from Anchor because I feel that the quality might suffer, and so it's always better to have so that you will also have a copy of that, and so like a backup thing, and the quality is much better than that. Yeah, if you don't do it directly from Anchor.
So you are maintaining a studio, that means.
Yeah, actually, if you can see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a studio means it's an instrument device.
Yeah, it's like a recording mic, and this one I recently bought. Earlier, I was using voice recorder app. That is very good app.
Okay.
So, yeah,
Okay, so this device, could you share the details of this device?
it's a toner. It's a toner mic. I just checked on Amazon, like recording mics for podcast, and it gave me few options.
And it doesn't take the surround sound, and it takes only the.
No, it isn't. Yeah.
Okay.
And
Toner.
other than that, if you are comfortable using the technology even more, then Audacity is an app. Software. So you can Audacity. You can do the editing part in Audacity. So luckily here we don't have a lot of background noise, so मेरा editing का part थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. But yeah, if you're comfortable, then you can do with Audacity as well.
And I would add to this thing, like means I have tried recording on Anchor because we have been taking sessions with teachers for the last 9-10 months, like since the lockdown happened, and we had a chance to introduce podcasting because everybody was searching for these alternatives. And I'll add to Sir's query and a response to it. I have been using a Boya mic, the one collar mic. I have also these earphones that I'm using now. I'm also carrying a Mauno podcast professional mic as well. So like we are also going with the affordability clause. So
Yeah.
will you recommend that teachers can still go on using these earphones and
Yes.
they like rather than thinking that we'll be spending 5,000 rupees or at least 2,500 rupees in India and then we'll be getting a professional mic.
Yeah.
So you will recommend even using these earphones that we have with the phones?
I mean, in fact, I completely understand your point. That is why even I kind of delayed my purchase for this recording mic, because first of all, we are not sure if we will be continuing this thing or not. So it is always better, otherwise setup सब हो गया है, लेकिन podcast कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा है. So most of the time that happens.
ये ठीक
And so I actually almost made a maximum more than half of the part of my podcast recordings. I did it from voice recorder app. This one I got last month.
Oh, latest.
Right. So that's a
Yeah.
strategy that we
Actually, I have been doing all on my phone only through their recording feature, whatever Anchor provides. And yes, you're right that till I am not confident how it will go and for how long, I don't want to invest in the new device and all that. That's the point. Yes.
Right.
But I don't know how to create my own file and then transfer it to Anchor. That I want to learn.
That's the part of our week 4. Like I'm interrupting this thing because that's a
No, that's okay.
the week 4 when we are going to like trouble every learner. We'll be training rather than teaching how to make podcasts in Moodle or in Google Classroom or making podcasts on SoundCloud, Hubhopper, Anchor, how to get them on Spotify, selectively on Ghana as well, because Ghana is going to do that undertaking thing that we give everything to them. So we won't be doing it. And regarding Audacity also, we have plans. And I know that Dr. Sharma also going to add that we do have things in week 4 where we are going to train everyone into all these things, applications for mobile phones and applications for the laptop version also, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Kalpana ji, there is very important question and thanks Atulji for that. That how to choose a topic to talk about it, means how to decide that, okay, today I'm going to speak on this.
Okay. So hello, Atulji. Thank you so much, first of all, for connecting me and Parveen for this wonderful session. So for choosing the topic for your podcasting, that is the biggest challenge every podcaster get. कि एक बार शुरू कर दिया जोश में, अब आगे क्या कर रहे हैं? मतलब we don't know like where to go. Sometimes not every time we have a festival season coming, or sometimes we don't have a lot of things in our mind. So now I'll tell you what I usually do. As I have seen few podcasters are it depends on the niche of your podcast. If your podcast is just about your day-to-day life, just a YouTube channels होते हैं, like a lifestyle, so you don't need any topic to talk. You can just turn on your mic and you can just talking like, hey, hi, hello, I'm talking to you, we are doing this. You randomly pick any topic. But if your podcast is concentrating on a particular area, then I prefer to make a list of topics that is there in my mind. I don't go by what is trending or what other people are doing more, because then I won't be offering anything unique to them. It is just that I'm just following the same topic and adding my views to it. But that is another strategy that we can always use, because then we know what people want to listen to more. Like अभी इस circumstances में देखें तो हर कोई कोविड और कोरोना के बारे में बात कर रहा है. But I didn't touch that topic neither on my English podcast nor on my Hindi podcast, because everyone is talking so much about it. What else I'm going to add? एक साल में सबको इतना ज्यादा practical experience हो गया है उसका that nobody is going to listen to my podcast if I repeat the same things over and over. So in that, what else I can give is talking about the resilience factor, talking about like Mother's Gurukul is mainly about kids. So how we can prepare the kids during the COVID. So those are the topics. So Atul ji, for answering your question, and if anybody else has the same question, so go with what you are comfortable in talking, not what the trend is about. And if you want to keep talking about say just general topics, you don't want to go with any particular topic, any sub subjects, that's totally fine. But whatever you are talking, you should be able to create a good content and to create a consistent content. So whoever is starting the podcast or going to start the podcast, make sure that you have, I would say, at least 3 months or to 6 months of content, so that there won't be any break. Because by any chance, if your listeners start liking your content, then they will be waiting for that. And if there is a gap, then it won't be good for you. So that 6 months ka buffering thing will give you time to create more.
And it seems like Atulji has, I won't call it him G, it will look odd to him.
Yeah.
He's my student, like I've been a class teacher to him.
Wow.
So that's how like we are connected. So he says thank you, and it seems he got an idea for a blog post or another podcast that he'll be doing. So
Oh,
like
nice.
this is how we get things from each other.
Yes.
And I'm introducing through you as well, that you and Dr. Amrita, and the third one, which was also tagged in the tweets, Atul
Mhm.
Maharaj, and the fourth one, the Musafir Stories.
Mhm.
So all of you have been trapped by us. जैसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, हम लोगों ने आप लोगों को हमारे मोहपाश में बांध लिया है कि अब आप लोगों से बातें मतलब चलाए रखेंगे. So on the 16th, Atul is going to be with us
Okay.
as an expert who will be
Mhm.
telling us the blogging and the podcasting thing. And we're also trying to reach out on a similar comfortable time with the Musafir Stories, because they are also in the US, and then we are just trying to match up whether we'll be having the sessions with them also.
Okay.
We'll stay connected with you. I'm saying this thing as an intervention,
Yeah.
because we might be having more questions or some other inputs by Dr. Sharma as well. So
Mhm.
Okay, thank you, Purvin. Thank you, Alpana ji. It's so nice of you to have listened to you, and means we feel guilty now that you have to wake up so early, and it is still morning time. When in India it is colder time, and 8 or 9 people then wake up.
No, that's fine. No, it's okay.
So thank you so
it's a
much.
treat to all of us, I would say that. मतलब
Yes, it is a
जितने भी समय
definitely.
दिया है, जितने लोग भी हम लोग हैं, मतलब if we are 28 and our 100 participants who will be also watching this recording, it's a treat. Like we feel pleased to have you. और एक बात कहूंगा, जैसे सर ने कहा कि चलता रहता, वो बातों बातों में बात है. हम लोग सिंगर्स के लिए अक्सर एक एमसिंग करते हुए और एंकरिंग करते हुए एक शेर कहा करता मैं, और वो पॉडकास्टर्स के लिए कहने का मन करता है. एंड दैट गोज फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर यू, कि वो घर मेरा काश तेरे घर के बराबर होता, घर मेरा काश तेरे घर के बराबर होता, तू ना आता तेरी आवाज तो आती रहती. So
Wow.
all this voice, and we believe that it's applicable on everyone who's part of this course. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.
As
Thank
soon
you.
as
Thank you.
as soon as Parveen comes back from Himachal, he is there in the hills. He's going to US embassy for his visa. Yeah, yeah. So, friends, if you have any questions to be asked, some advice to be sought from Alpana ji, kindly either unmute yourself or type into the chat box. We can see from there. And in the meantime, if you come up with your questions, now since we will be entering our last week, and there will be technical sessions there, so we are planning to have 2 live sessions. One will be as usual at the end on Saturday, as Parveen has already told, where Atulji will be joining us. But on Wednesday, we are thinking of having a session where we will demonstrate you all these platforms and some real demonstration on how we can create, how we can edit them, and post them on a particular platform. So we will send the details through our course messaging option. And I just wanted to alert you that this is our intention to have one technical session on which we can show you that using various platforms, how we can create them.
Sir. Sir, just one interruption. That's being selfish. As we have requested Dr. Amrita as well, and we'll request Alpna ji as well. Can we have a podcast from you for us about us, that in which you can guide these teachers? We all are learners. That how we should be going. Like just a brief one. Like you, because you have said so much, but still something will be coming to your mind. So if it is there, we will request you that you can record a podcast as a guiding light to all of us, and that can come online, and then we all participants can also listen to that.
Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, I would love to. Just I'll
Thank
get in touch with you, like, how to, what
Yes.
points you want me to include in that audio file, and I can do that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. And
Fantastic. Thanks.
thank you.
That would be great.
We can put a quiz in between also. Like you'll make a podcast, we'll put a Google form as a quiz, and then whoever will give answers, we'll give them rewards also.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. And
Yeah. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Thank
Ji,
you.
ji,
We
ji.
wish that it goes on and on and on, I would say.
I know
Thank-
that's the magic of podcasting.
Hmm.
Okay.
Thank-
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
very
Okay.
Thank you.
Namaste, Alpana ji.
Namaste.
So, friends, if there are no more questions, then maybe we can close the session for today. It's already, we have, this session was so interesting, so engrossing that we didn't realize that it's already around 6:30 here in India. And okay,
If
Parveen, if
somebody
you want to
wants
make
to
some
say
announcement.
something, sir, I feel that like if some participant is there and you want to say something which is a concern for you regarding the course which is going on, so you please do put it.
Dr.
And-
Madhusudan wants, yeah, please.
सर इन टर्म्स ऑफ कोर्स एज प्रवीण जी बता रहे थे, प्रवीण शर्मा जी बता रहे थे, in terms of course I am enjoying a lot. Actually it is more than what has been promised in the beginning. Actually it made us learn many things, actually, like become a student actually in terms of learning the podcast in education. Today I was in a session. I was with GNDU. I was taking session on Moodle. I was referring to all the participants to attend whenever possible in the next cycle, to attend a course in podcast in education. From that time I'm the part here. So anyway, I'm really enjoying. I'm not even feeling that we are towards the end of the third week, actually. Just like 1 or 2 days, I'm not fluttering or anything. Really wonderful, and a lot many content actually you have been giving, and that is making us to read more and more, actually. And maybe, as you said, in the fourth week onwards, the coming days onwards, we will go on hands-on and practical sessions as well, so that we will have some confidence also in terms of, because at least me, in terms of audio, I'm new to this, but in terms of reading background materials, I'm enjoying, and I'm reading a lot. And I must say a lot of inputs have been given to this course. And today's session, especially to all the speakers, I must say I really enjoyed. I once again thank you, Professor Ashish Sharma ji and Parveen Sharma ji. Wonderful teamwork that you people are doing. Thank you so much.
यस सर, यस सर.
Yeah, please
Sir,
go ahead.
सर मुझे आज तो सुन करके सच में बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, और मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि मैं एजुकेशनल कुछ पॉडकास्ट शुरू कर पाऊं, पर सर कुछ हेजिटेशन है कि कैसे अच्छा बना पाऊंगी. तो सर मुझे उम्मीद है कि अगले सेशन में आप मेरा ये हेजिटेशन थोड़ा सा दूर कर देंगे.
आप समझिए, आज आप बोल गए हैं तो आज से ही दूर हो गया.
जी 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 सर, बहुत ही
Yes, yes.
अल्पना मैम से तो सुन करके बहुत ही इंस्पिरेशन मिली और बड़ा अच्छा लगा सर. मैं पॉडकास्टिंग के लिए मतलब बहुत ही क्या बताऊं, बहुत थैंकफुल हूं आप लोगों के इस सेशन के लिए. थैंक यू सर.
You are very welcome, and we look forward to listening to your podcast. Friends, okay then, take care, and thank you so much.